So just arriving at Sultanahmet to visit the two big mosques, the Blue Mosque and the Hagia Sophia. Just beside it you come across this big Egyptian obelisk. This was transported from Egypt to Rome, and then it was Constantine the Great who transported it here to the old Constantinople to decorate his new city, his new capital. See all the hieroglyphics? The meaning of the hieroglyphics is the pharaoh who first erected it. It was a dedication to his late father, I believe. Something like that. Still very clear, you can see it all like perfectly. On a big marble pedestal. I think all over the place you have these reminders of the history, you know. It's great, you learn a lot, because you know, just a quick Google search to see what something is, and then you're learning. You're always learning, really. Look at that. There's the master at work.
Yeah, Turkish kebab.
Turkish kebab, lovely.
Nice, nice.
Chicken, yeah?
Yeah, chicken. Chicken kebab.
Very nice. What's the Turkish name? Turkish kebab.
Name shawarma.
Shawarma.
Shawarma kebab.
Alright.
Yeah.
Got lettuce going in there.
Yeah.
Tomato.
Tomato and salato.
Salad, yeah.
Yeah.
The pickles and everything, yeah?
The pickles,
oh, that
yeah.
looks very nice, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Great. Oh yeah.
Okay.
I'll enjoy that. How am I supposed to enjoy this? You're just looking at me like that. Just once more. I'll enjoy it now. So I'm in the Sultanahmet Square between the two mosques. So you've got the Blue Mosque behind me, and you've got the Hagia Sophia Mosque over here. Hagia Sophia, or Hagia Sophia, used to be a Christian church or cathedral during the Roman Empire, Constantinople. But then when Constantinople fell to the Ottoman Empire, it was converted into a mosque. And then in 1935, the secular Republic of Turkey established a museum out of the Hagia Sophia. So it's got an interesting history. And only last year it was turned back into a mosque again. The fella running Turkey now, he's a very religious fella, Erdogan. So even though Turkey's secular, he definitely wants to lean more towards the religious side of things. It's a really nice area. I'll go into Hagia Sophia first. I'm wearing shorts now. I hope it's okay going in with shorts on. So we'll see. So it's kind of a mosque and a museum now. It's a mosque where people will pray and people just go to have a look and take photos. There's Mary and little baby Jesus. It's a bit like walking into the Vatican, or you know, something you'd see in Italy, one of the old cathedrals. Well, I suppose it's the Romans built them, didn't they? So I have to drop the shoes off. Now imagine leaving your shoes and then you come out and your shoes are gone. It'd be a great opportunity for a shoe thief, wouldn't it? Coming to the old mosque. Big bag full of shoes. Sell them out on the street. Got these Doc Martens, €5. Right, I'm going to take the shoes off. They're up behind the F. I won't forget them there. Oh yeah. It's so interesting seeing the combination of the Christianity and the Islam together. Like you've got the Islamic symbols. No pictures in Islam, yeah? You can't have pictures of the Prophet Muhammad. We love our pictures in Christianity. Two different forms of art, I suppose. Lovely chandeliers. Look at the size of that one. Lovely spot for a picnic. The carpet's nice and comfortable. Right, here's an interesting thing. The head of the altar is over to the side of it, it's not straight on. And that would be because like the middle would be the window, the stained glass window, and then you can see the altar is over to the right of it. Like I'm facing the middle now. I'm actually not being rude here. When I'm talking to the camera it might seem I'm talking real loud, but I'm actually not. It's just a really good microphone on the camera. Look at that. Right, I'm gonna get out before someone robs me shoes. So as you can see, it doesn't really feel like a mosque. Most people are just hanging around, sitting around, chatting. Just up at the very front, there's an altar there where people are praying. Hey! Mate, can I go in?
No problem.
No.
100 minutes enough.
Ah, perfect.
Next door.
Thanks a lot. I can go in with the shorts because they're down past my knees. So the Blue Mosque is not the official name, it's the Sultanahmet Mosque. Blue Mosque, it was just nicknamed that by tourists because apparently there's 20,000 or over 20,000 blue ceramic tiles inside in the interior. Seems there's construction going on here. It's not going to be open. Right, what do I do here? Bags for the shoes. Please do not leave bags. Oh, bad news. You can see the ceilings all blocked off. There's construction going on. Can't see any of the blue tiles or anything, so. The women's praying area. Ah, that's a pity now. They probably start doing a reconstruction during COVID. So we can
Two
only,
years later finish.
2 years later?
Yes.
Wow. So we can only see this area.
Yeah, only see.
Can't see the blue tiles. Ah, but from only the outside really we can see.
Yes,
I understand. So he said it's going to take 2 years to be finished. It has 6 minarets, like the towers. So it's very loud when the call for prayer comes on. There's all big speakers in them, you know. You can see the work being done on the roof there, all the dust. So unfortunately, the Blue Mosque is under construction. So you can only see a small section of it. It's not worth seeing because it's nothing, you can't see anything interesting. So, but from the outside it's spectacular, it's amazing. In the evening it's all lit up, so that's really a great time to see it. It's called a Friday Mosque. Friday Mosque means it's the main mosque of a city or an area. So if you're coming to Turkey in the year 2021 or 2022, Hagia Sophia is the spot. Like that other mosque was amazing. The one that used to be a church. It's still worth coming, seeing the area and seeing the outside. It's still a great spot. And this whole area, this whole Sultanahmet Square. Right, where to next? Sure I'll find something. As I was trying to top up my Istanbul card, the fella came over. He's there like making money off tourists. The truth is, tourists can't do it themselves. Like it's all Turkish. It's ridiculous. So I had a card someone else gave me, and it was out of date. It was outdated, and I put more money in it. And there was nothing to stop me from putting more money in it. It just takes your money. So this guy came over and he goes, "Just give me 30 lira." So that's about €3.
No, it doesn't work. Why you are just taking my time?
I'm taking your time.
No.
You just came to me and took my card. I don't even know what you're doing.
Relax.
Yeah, don't say that to me.
No.
I'm not going to start like saying, "Oh no, I'll give you €1." I had €3, 30 lira in cash. I just gave it to him. It means I can travel on the tram and the trains now. So you know what? For €3, no bother.